Good morning, students. Today we will start explaining this chapter, that is chapter 6, creating tables and hyperlink in HTML. Okay, so previous chapter 5 also you have learned about the HTML. So you have some basic knowledge about HTML. So let's start. Table help us organize data in structured manner in a web page, whereas hyperlink enable us to connect different web page. We cannot think about interconnections between different web page without hyperlink. Means what is said over here, what is the main thing about hyperlink? Okay, so table helps to organize the data in a web page, whereas hyperlink connect different web page. Okay, that is it's a difference between the table and the hyperlink. So we cannot think to connect different web page without hyperlink. Okay, if we want to connect to different web pages, we have to use the options. The thing is that is hyperlink. Okay, so the next is about creating table in HTML. We can represent data in a row and column format with the help of table. We can use table to format and organize information systematically on a web page. So with the help of table, we enter data in row and column wise. Through table format, we can organize information systematically on a web page. Okay, so there are the basic structure of a table consists of the following tags. The first one is the table tag. Table tag is mainly define a table, HTML table. Okay, I will explain the overall chapter in very shorts. Okay, so the next is about the tier tag. Tier tag is mainly defines a row in a table. Okay, when you are defining the row in a table, you have to use the tr tag. What is the use of th tag? It is used to define heading for column or row within the table. Okay, and td tag is define a data cell in a table. Okay, so we can include text, image, list, form elements for a hyperlink in a data cell. The number of pairs of tr and close tr, I told in the class that this is a closing tag. So determines the number of row in a table. A row can have one or more td or th tag, which determine the column in the table. Okay, that what I told. td tag is a data cell in a table defines, and th means is a heading of the column or row. Okay, so the text, image, list, elements, hyperlinking a data cell, then all things we use these. The row means the things of the row. When you're defining any row thing, we will use this tr tag and closing tr tag. Okay, so we can include the heading for a table using the caption tag. While using the heading of full table, we use the caption tag. So the next is attribute table tag. Okay, so attribute of table tag include border, border color, bg color, background, width, height, cell spacing, and cell padding. Okay, a table means the attributes of table that all are include. What are it includes? All border color, bg color means background, then the width, height, cell spacing, and cell padding. So you have to learn this table. Okay, the attributes are here and the descriptions over there, so you have to learn this table. Border means what? It's just around a table. Okay, these are black colors, that's called border, you know everyone. So border color means you can choose this border color, any one of them, red, yellow, black, this purple, then lavender color, anything else. So bg color means background color of the table. Okay, background, display of the background of a table. This means the background you have to set. With height means you know the length and breadth. By the pixel or percentage you can say the height and width. And cell spacing means the space between two adjacent cell, means you know what in Excel, in anything the small cells are there, so the cells gapping is called the cell spacing. And cell padding means specify the space between edge of a cell, means this one a cell, age is having the difference, so that is a sales padding. Okay. So the next is we will discuss using the border color, BG color attribute or table tag. So the following HTML code uses border color and BG color attribute of the table tag to display the output. Okay, to in the border in the border tag we will use this border color red, BG pink. Okay. The next is what using the cell spacing and cell padding attribute of table tag. Table tag, here we can use the space between the cell and the edge of the cell. Okay, and the next is what attribute of tier, then TD, TH tag. So we can use attribute of tier, TD or TH tag to control aspects such as alignment and background color at the row or cell level. Following table lists the important attribute of tier, TD on TH tag. Okay, you have to learn this table. That align means what? These attributes specify the horizontal alignment of the text within a cell. Okay, the value can be left, right or corner. That is the alignment. No, you have to set the alignment. BG color, I told that the background color of a row of a data cell. Then the next is what? Row span. What is row span? This attribute specify the number of row of data cell should span. This attribute is used with the TD tag or the TH tag. By these two tags you can use the row span. And the col span is this attribute specify the number of column of a data cell should span. By using again the TD tag and the TH tag. Next is what using BG color and align attributes of the tier and TD tag. Okay, so BG color means I told that the thing is that the background color, and align attributes means for object, image, table, frame, etc. can cause the object to float to the left or right margin. Okay, that is the align attributes. Okay, so the next is what using the row span or col span attribute of TD tag. Okay, so we make use of the row span and col span attribute when there is a need to merge the data cell. Okay, when we want to merge the data cell, we have to use this row span and col span. The data cell can be merged column wise or row wise. Okay, if you want to merge the column row wise, use the row span, and when you have to merge the column wise, you have to use a col span. The following HTML code uses row span is of the TD tag. Again, by the TD tag you can do this thing. Okay, the following HTML code uses col span attribute of the TD tag. Row span attributes or col span attribute, you have to use the TD tag. Now the next is what creating hyperlink in HTML. Okay, so while surfing the internet, you come across several text string or image which when clicked open a different web page. I told earlier itself that what is hyperlink. To connecting the different web pages, we have to use the hyperlink. Okay. So the next is what anchor A tag. The anchor A tag is used to create hyperlink in a web page. Okay, by the A tag you can create hyperlink in a web page. So it is a container tag. And what is container tag? I have told you in the previous chapter the container tag and the empty tag. The container tag means it requires both the opening and the closing tag, and while in the empty tag only requires an opening tag. It don't have the closing tag. So at any text or image enclosed with the A and /A means closing A tag is displayed as a hyperlink. Okay, this anchor tag is displayed as a hyperlink. Okay, so the next word types of linking in HTML. There are 3 types of linking in HTML. The first is what the external linking, the second is what the internal linking, and the third is email linking. So what is external linking? The external involves connecting two different web pages when we click a hyperlink, mean the external linking is to connecting two web pages. That is, when we connect two web page, we will use the internal external linking. Okay. So we can link pages with the same directory or to other page over the internet. Okay, so you have understood the external linking. Only the external linking part you will just learn. Okay. So what is the next thing is what is the internal linking? Internal linking involves linking various sections of the same web page. This type of linking is useful when a web page is very long. It let the user view to desired section of a page quickly. Internal linking serves as a bookmark to go a particular segment of a web page. This helps the user to quickly jump to the required information. Okay, means as for example, as a book. Okay, internal linking, just I am explaining through the book. As for example, I am telling, in a book there is the first page is the content page, the page number, chapter wise, all are written over there. So like that only, when the web page is very long, on that time the first page you have to create like a bookmark or in as content. Which the page number you required, just click on that topics, then it will be jump and open that page only. So while you doing that kind of web page, we will use the internal linking. Okay, I am not discussing this two-step process, it's not needed for you. Just learn this paragraph only. And the last is what? Email linking. Email linking means to link text to an email address. We use the mail to keyword before the email address in the href attribute. What is href attribute? Href full form is hypertext reference. It specifies the URL of the page the link goes to. If the href attribute is not present, the a tag will not be a hyperlink. Okay, so use href tag to link the pages. So for example, to link the text, send an email to the email address sandeep123@gmail.com. we can write the following HTML code like this. Tag open href mail to whom you are mailing, mail to this email address, close the inverted comma, close the tag options, send an email, then close A. Understood? So our chapter 6 is also completed. I will send the objective matching one word question answer through PDF. Please note all the question answer in the computer copy, and watch this video very carefully. Try to understand the chapters. If you are having any problem, when I will get the class, you just ask me in the class. Okay, thank you.